Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by gearing up. Iron armor, a reliable pickaxe, torches, and food. Pack a bed if you need a reset point. Once done, open your map and record your XYZ coordinates with F3 so you never lose orientation. Make sure to mark a waypoint. Move toward the trial location shown on your map or signs. Travel steadily, placing torches to light chunks and checking for unusual terrain or fortress-style blocks that often signal a hidden chamber. You now shift from travel to deliberate searching. Scan for consistent architecture, arches, chiseled stone, or patterned blocks. These hint at a chamber entrance. Once you see a candidate, approach cautiously and use a diagonal staircase or shallow tunnel to probe. This reduces fall or trap risk. Make sure to listen closely as you dig. Water drips, mob noises, or faint redstone clicks often reveal a hollow space ahead. Keep torches back from the entrance so you can see light changes when you break through. You clear the chamber methodically. Light the area, block off tunnels, and drop any pressure plates or tripwires that trigger traps. Once safe, search chests, examine redstone devices, and inspect any altar or puzzle. These contain the trial objective and rewards. After collecting items, make sure to note the chamber coordinates for future runs. If something goes wrong, reload chunks with F3+, or backtrack using saved coordinates. Make sure to respawn safely and re-enter from a known point to avoid losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.